Hey there, hi there, and welcome back, all you new subscribers. It is awesome to see you guys here with us today. I'm going to show you a little behind the scenes footage of day 5 that's coming up. I hope you enjoy this footage. We're going to walk through maybe a few of the prices on what we've spent on the train later in the video. But for now, enjoy this clip of Fun Girl welding the train.
We blew it.
That didn't work. Alright, back to this. This breaker's just so old. Double man.
We're out of wire, I think.
Did it just run out?
I think so. Maybe.
Good thing I bought another roll.
We should check.
Pull the trigger. It's out.
Nothing's happening.
I think we're out. So that's what that hood's designed for. It lets all that gas come up around your head without it actually going in your face. You're not breathing it as much. Back in the day, those gases right there, and even today, under heavy consumption, will cause lung cancer, quite a few other really, really bad diseases. So if you're a welder, you probably already know this. If you're not, be aware. No, she went till she gave.
Oh, I'm stuck.
There you go. So just wiggle it.
I think that top one will hold.
Veo en tus ojos mi vida pasar.
Always says.
Look, it looks great. It's nice and thick and bubble.
Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice and crunchy looking. You could work at the mill. And these are on little buzz boxes even. We're gonna give that breaker a few minutes to cool off, and we'll get back at it. We'll get her back to work too. She's being lazy, isn't she?
So lazy. I'm the one doing all the big work here. They know. Ask them.
Heavy lifter, big thinker, hard worker.
Yeah. Let me help you carry that.
Just plug this light in for a minute. Do you want him to let down the front of the train? Move that jack out of there. The block stand and just let it down.
You won't mess with that, right?
It shouldn't. In theory, it shouldn't.
It's got this. Should I move this
Yeah, you gotta move that
stand?
off to the side real quick.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all
got that one, sure. Alright, let's pull up over this way. Take the ground low.
What you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything? And what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Welding wire with the flux core. I just gotta find it. My place is a little messy. I'll be back. Alright guys, we're going to wrap this up for the day, but I did tell you we're going to go through some pricing before we do that. So we bought a diesel engine. It is a 4-stroke diesel engine, 10 horsepower, 418 cc's. It's a 186 FA motor at 3600 RPM with heavy duty single cylinder air cooled recoil, meaning it's a glorified diesel powered goat cart engine, but very, very powerful. Then we purchased a universal lawnmower throttle cable lever, which kind of looks like this. I don't know how well you can see it because the print didn't come out that well, but it's more like a train lever. than it is a gas pedal or a throttle. So we'll be able to just kind of throttle it up, similar to a riding lawnmower, I guess. It's a universal riding lawnmower kit. Then we got a universal throttle cable as well, just in case we need to extend it any from the throttle handle. We got a 1-inch bore sprocket with a 1/4-inch keyway for a goat cart, and that's 48 tooth. So we're going to run like a 12 tooth on our primary, 48 tooth on our lower axle. So I think with the diesel engine and the lower powered or higher power torque, we can achieve some pretty high speeds. I really do believe we're going to not have any problem with, you know, high end speeds or anything like that, and I'm hoping the diesel engine would overcome any low end torque we need to take off. So that's that in a nutshell. We did get another 10 feet of number 40 roller chain with 2 extra master links, just in case. You never know, you get down that track a little ways, chain got too hot, heats up, binds up, snaps, you've got nothing left. So I don't want to be that guy stuck on YouTube looking silly. Not this guy. And then we also purchased another 30 series torque converter, but this is the high big boy one. So this is made for anything above 10 horsepower. So it's the 1-inch CVT clutch system, and it comes with a 10 tooth number 4041 chain roller and also a 12 tooth. So we'll have a little variation. I don't see us needing it, but we might use the 12 tooth. I think we're going to go with the 10. But that's it for today. 5 items there. Then this afternoon while we were welding out there, one of our helmets had no batteries left in it, my real nice one. So I got these cheapos. They were like 22 bucks. I had to bite the bullet though. I have sensitive eyes already. I've welded them out once before, and just filming in there today alone really messed with my head not having my mask on right. So got those cheapos. Won't happen tomorrow. And then we got 2 of the flux cores. So we've got 2 boxes of these. I think these were $25.99 a piece down at our local Midway. So these are flux core already, so we don't need to use an argon gas or anything like that. It's just buzz boxing. So suitcase welding, we got 2 of those. So grand total, I think we've got $70 here with the goggles and the welding rod. Pardon me, just had lunch earlier. Then we've got 524 and some change on these parts, and yeah, and then 165. We spent 165 roughly. I think it was 56 on the axles, 50 on the bearings, and we did purchase a box of rod to begin with, or wire. So there's another 25. Roughly, we're into this thing quite a bit. I will do the calculations, or one of you can do the calculations and put it in the comments below, but I believe we're right around 1,300 into this thing, which I really didn't want to do. But I don't want to produce a product that you guys out there that are now subscribed get to see fail. It's something I just don't do. I don't like failing. I don't take it with stride. I don't like it. Something you'll grow to know. Alright, I'm getting out of the office today. We're going to finish up editing. And just want to say I love you guys. Every one of you guys subscribing, helping us, is going to be able to make a difference. We're going to be able to change somebody's life with that money that's coming in, if not yours. So stay subscribed, stay tuned in. As great things start to come in, we're going to be able to do greater things. So stick with me. Stay here. Enjoy being a fun guy, and jump on the train. You know, tell your friends, get on board with us. We really could use the support. I mean, I've been paying for the channel for 5 years out of pocket. I don't do one of those donation things, and I don't do any of the Patreon stuff. Just really do it myself a lot of the time. So if we can just, you know, generate funds through subscribers and views, that is more than enough. I don't need to ask for $2 out of each of you to watch my videos. That just seems a little weird. I guess if they were better, maybe I could, but I don't. So, enough said. I talked too much. We'll get the last few minutes of footage here, and I hope to see you in the next video. This one was a little short, but everything went wrong today, from breakers to lights, then welding. You know, it's just a little bit of everything went wrong. But we did make some progress. There is some more train on the train. That's what matters. Day 5. Shout out to you guys. Love y'all. Gary, Deb. There's a few others out there I'd like to shout out to, but I think I'll save that for now. We'll see you in the next one.